Okay, welcome to the third video in the series Data Science with Julia. In this, let's see how to install Julia. Okay, you can visit this thing, like it's uh, julialang.org. So, let me close my other tabs. Okay, fine. So if you just go here, like now it's like 161, Julia 161, and you just download. And I downloaded, when I did this, I was having Linux. So I downloaded 64-bit for this. And what I did was, I unzipped it to uh, to a place in my home directory, like Julia 152, and there is a directory called bin inside this Julia 152. So if you unzip it, you'll get it. Okay, and then I need to set. Okay, I was using Bash at that time. There is also ZSH, like Linux shell. So you can use Bash or ZSH or whatever you want. So unzip it, and in Bash means in Bash RC, put this thing. Okay, like 152. Actually, it should be 161 because now it's 161, right? So 161. And what to say? Similarly, in ZSHRC, if you're using ZSH, put this. Okay. I am actually now using Mac, and Mac uses ZSH. So in my ZSH, I've put it like this. In Mac, it's a bit different. So I think like what kind of file has been downloaded for Mac? Okay, it's a DMG file, and I don't know how I found out like this is the path. So I'm not sure how I found out this path. Did I put where is Julia? Like I'm not sure. Let me check. Okay. Where is Julia? No. And I don't know how I found this out. Okay, but that's how it is. Um. Okay, so yeah, Julia location on Mac. But in Linux, it's very straightforward. Okay, so okay, right. Okay, so I think yeah. So there is platform specific instructions for Mac also, right? Uh, so that's how it is. So hopefully, yeah, I'll also give this link in the blog description so that you can just go and see. So once you have done this, what you can do is like you can just start your terminal, right, like this, okay? And then yeah, so what you can do is you can just put Julia, and you should be getting it. And I've also got like what to say, this thing like color coding and all those things. I don't know whether I have told it in my blog. If not, I'll just try to tell it in my next blog. Okay, so that's how it is. So, how did I have it in my next blog? Accessing help, package management. No. Okay, yeah. Sorry, I mean blog, VLOG, not blog. Okay, so I'll just try to tell it in my next vlog, that is video blog. Okay, so how I got this coloring and all those things installed. But before that, yeah, like there are something to go. Yeah, I will tell how those color things and all are coming. That is this one, two purple color things are all how it's coming, and how this red is all coming. I'll just tell it later. But yeah, before that, yeah, I need to talk about package management and all those things. Yeah, I will just go. I'll just stick with my blog and go. Yeah, so that's how it is. Anyway, thanks for watching.